Hey guys, in today's video I want to talk to you about ad-libs and how you can create some movement by placing and by panning in different ways. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, hit that notification button, drop a like, leave a comment with suggestions. Let's get into the video. The track is called Work, artist Modest.
Put in work, put in work, put in work, work. Wanna get it out of dirt, so I put in work, work. Put in work, put in work, put in work, work. Wanna.
So in this video I want to show you a cool way that you can create movement for the ad-libs. You want your ad-libs to not clash with your lead vocal, and sometimes you need to pan them. You need to move them from the center because the lead vocal is in the center. You need them on the right or the left speaker. For example, you can use panning automation, and in Studio One you can do it very easily. Right click on the pan, edit automation pan, and you're set to create some panning just like this. Or you can zoom in, add automation points and just drag them. Very easy.
Put in work, put in work, put in work, work. Wanna get it out of dirt, so I put in work, work. Put in work, put in work, put in work, work. Wanna get it out of dirt, so I put in work, work. Put in work, put in work, put in work, put in work, work. Wanna.
My issue with hard panning left or right is that it doesn't sound natural. In real life, when someone talks to you from the left side, you still hear some sound with the right ear. It's not like in this example, the vocal is straight in your left or in your right ear. And for me, that's distracting. You need to find a different way of moving the ad-libs left or right by using some other plugins. First, let me show you the processing done on the ad-libs. It's very simple, nothing too spectacular. I have an EQ, corrective EQ, Autotune Pro, doing the pitch correction, another EQ, adding some top, and I have a delay, short delay, as you can see here. I've used it to add some stereo depth.
Work. Put in work, work.
And last in the chain, CLA 3A, compressing a fair bit the ad-libs.
Put in work, work.
And that's it as far as processing goes. What I like to do is adding a reverb as an insert. Let's say I've used the same reverb that I have in the session.
Work, put in work, work.
The secret to create movement for your ad-libs is a cool little plugin called S1 Imager from Wave. And let me show you what I usually do with it. I like to use the width control.
Put in work, work.
Push the sound to the edge of the speaker. Next, you can use the asymmetry to create some subtle movement.
Work, put in work, work, work. Put in work, work.
I'm moving the left and the right channel. You can see it on the display of the plugin. And because it's a vocal and it's mono, on the left and the right channel we have just the reverb. So you move the reverb left and right. That's a pretty way to create movement in the ad-libs with this plugin. But what I like to do is use the rotation.
Work, put in work, work, work. Put in work, work.
Now let's add some automation on the plugin. The plugin in write mode. Let's start with the rotation.
Put in work, work, work. Put in work, work, work. Put in work, work.
Now we have some movement using the rotation. We can automate the asymmetry. Be careful not to engage the write mode again because it will overwrite what you have. Use, I don't know, maybe touch, and this will engage the automation writing just when you touch a knob or fader on the plugin.
Put in work, work, work. Put in work, work.
Create even more movement. I like to increase the stereo width on certain words, something like this.
Work, put in work, work, work. Put in work, work, work.
Put the plugin in read mode and you have movement for the ad-libs.
Work, in work, put in work, put in work, work. Wanna get it out of dirt, so I put in work, work. Put in work, put in work, put in work, work. Wanna get it out of dirt, so I put in work.
This is an interesting way that you can create movement for your ad-lib. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe, hit the notification button, drop a like, leave a comment, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook. Join our Facebook group, it's called Mix Talk. Thanks for your support. See you guys next time.